This gang-style channel is going viral. If you look at the videos, they are based on gangster themes. Dark, intense, and visually very beautiful. But thousands of views is still very impressive. And the most interesting part is the income. Even though the views are not extremely high, the earnings are surprisingly strong. It currently has around 30,000 subscribers and about 39 videos uploaded. According to Social Blade, in the last 13 days, the channel gained about 13,000 subscribers and received around 1.1 million views. If we talk about monthly income, Social Blade estimates it between 2,737 and 4.4K per month, which is honestly very impressive. If you preview the videos you see on the screen, you will notice the style immediately.
But tonight, trust would become the most dangerous weapon in the room. The briefcase opened slowly, revealing stacks of cash. But the boss wasn't looking at the money, he was watching the man holding it. Fear crept across the lieutenant's face as his hand tightened around.
Today we are going to create this type of video using completely free AI tools, so make sure you don't skip the video. And let's jump straight into it. First of all, I have already prepared a master prompt for you. This master prompt is structured step by step. Step 1 is the story idea. Step 2 contains the image prompts, where we generate 7 different scenes. Step 3 contains the video prompts. Step 4 is the voiceover script. And Step 5 is the final scene output. All you need to do is simply copy this master prompt. I will place the link in the description. After copying the prompt, open ChatGPT, paste the prompt, and click Generate. Once you click Generate, ChatGPT will automatically create 7 scenes with image prompts, video prompts, and voiceover scripts. When the scenes are ready, simply copy the first image prompt. Now we move to the next tool called Whisk. We use this tool because it helps generate consistent characters, which gives us very accurate images. Simply log in to the tool. After logging in, you will see a style option on the left side. Click on Upload Image and upload a few screenshots from the channel whose style you like. For example, I uploaded 3 to 4 screenshots because I want characters similar to these. After that, go back to ChatGPT, copy prompt 1, and paste it into Whisk AI. Select the aspect ratio 9:16, then click Generate. Within a few moments, the first image will be generated. As you can see, our first image is ready, and it looks amazing. If you don't like the result, you can simply click Regenerate to create another version. Now we repeat the same process. Copy scene 2, paste it into Whisk AI, and click Generate again. Within seconds, the second image will also be ready. Then we repeat the same process for scene 3, scene 4, scene 5, scene 6, and scene 7. Once all images are ready, simply download them. Now we move to our main tool, which is Grok AI Imagine Video Generator. Open the tool and log in. After logging in, go to Settings, then open Behavior, and turn Automatic Video Generation off. After that, go to the Imagine sections, and select the video option. First, we can also regenerate the image if needed. Click Edit Image, upload the first image, then go back to ChatGPT, and copy the first video prompt. Paste the prompt here and click Generate. The tool will regenerate the image and prepare it for video animation. As you can see, the image now looks even better. Now select Make Video, paste the video prompt again, and click Generate. The video generation has now started. Within a few moments, our first cinematic scene video will be ready. Here is the final result of the first video. As you can see, it looks extremely impressive and cinematic. Now we repeat the exact same process. Click Edit Image, upload the second image, go back to ChatGPT, copy the second video prompt, paste it here, and click Generate. Once the image is regenerated, select Make Video, paste the prompt again, and generate the video. As you can see, the next scene video has also started generating. And here is the final result. The video looks amazing. You simply repeat the same process for scene 3, scene 4, scene 5, scene 6, and scene 7. There is no need to change anything. Just follow the same process for all scenes. After all videos are ready, simply download them. Now the next step is voiceover. For voiceover, go back to ChatGPT, and ask it to generate a separate voiceover script. Once the script is generated, copy the entire script. Then go to 11 Labs, which is a free AI voice generator. 11 Labs gives around 10,000 free characters. Paste the script into the text box. Then go to the Voices section. Choose any voice like Roger, or any other voice you prefer. After that, click Generate. Within just a few seconds, the voiceover will be ready. Finally, the last step is editing in CapCut, which is very important. Open CapCut, then import all the videos and the voiceover. First, place the voiceover on the timeline, then add the videos one by one. After that, you can add transitions between scenes. Adjust the voiceover timing. Is ready, export the video in 4K resolution. So guys, today you saw how we created a complete video using free AI tools. You can easily create a similar channel like the one I showed at the beginning for your channel. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe to our channel.